They're out there.
I called you in because I valued your belief in this phenomenon. I'm not the most popular girl at the FBI right now.
Scully?
Mulder?
Father Joe claims a psychic connection.
So you believe in these sort of things?
Let's just say I want to believe.
Don't give up.
You see them?
See eyes staring out. My visions were God's work.
Maybe it's not God doing the sending.
What do you see? Father Joe?
I'm done chasing monsters in the dark.
It's here. I need you on this with me.